Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The Best Costa Farm is probably one of the most sought-after brands for fresh, high-quality produce, and today we're diving deep into what makes their offering stand out in a crowded market. From vibrant fruits bursting with flavor to crisp vegetables that promise peak freshness, Costa Farm has built a reputation for delivering excellence straight from the farm to your table. We'll explore the variety, the sourcing practices, and ultimately, whether this brand lives up to the hype for home cooks and discerning shoppers alike. Number 5. Costa Farm's 10-pack live succulents. Bring home a beautiful collection of mini succulents to create a desert feel. These easy-care houseplants are ready to liven up any space with their vibrant look. These mini succulents are the perfect size to admire on any tabletop, desk, windowsill, or shelf. They come beautifully potted and ready to be enjoyed instantly. Succulent plants make wonderful gifts for birthdays, weddings, baby showers, and parties. Give the gift of farm-fresh plants, ready to impress. Your plants are packaged with care and delivered directly from our farm. Each assortment is grower's choice and may include duplicates, arriving about 2 inches tall. Plants have the ability to lift your mood and improve your well-being by bringing life, fresh air, and a sense of calm. Studies show they can improve mood and reduce stress. Your new indoor succulents arrive well-packed with care instructions. Keep them happy by placing them in bright sunlight and watering sparingly every 2 weeks. What we like. If you're looking for a budget-friendly way to add greenery to multiple gifts or decor projects, this is the perfect choice. These mini succulents are ideal for party favors or for anyone wanting to easily start a collection of low-maintenance plants. If you like variety and enjoy crafting or gifting, you should consider these. What people say. Everything came packed, and no, it was not excessive. To me, what came with the package was essential for the plants to arrive intact. I also was grateful for the insert provided by Costa Farms with the directions for care, as well as if you do have any problems for some reason they give you many ways to reach them so they could rectify it. That's a good company to me. The packing was perfect. There was a heat pad in the bottom. All the plants had a ton of packaging to keep them safe. Number 4. Avergo Bonsai Tree Kit for Beginners. Discover the art of bonsai with our complete starter kit. It includes everything you need to cultivate beautiful Japanese bonsai trees right at home. This all-in-one kit provides all the essentials for growing your own mini trees. You'll find tools, planters, and a variety of popular seeds to get you started. We've included extra seed packets to ensure your success. Sprouting can be tricky, but with these additional seeds, you'll have a better chance of growing your perfect bonsai. Looking for a unique gift? This bonsai kit is ideal for birthdays, holidays, or just because. It's a thoughtful present for any plant lover, man or woman. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, this kit is designed for everyone. Enjoy the rewarding experience of growing and shaping your own bonsai. Avergo offers a variety of homegrown bonsai trees. Our kits are perfect for beginners and advanced enthusiasts alike, bringing the joy of indoor gardening to your life. What we like. If you're fascinated by the art of bonsai and want a comprehensive introduction, this kit is for you. It's designed for beginners but offers a rewarding experience for all levels. If you enjoy a hands-on project and are looking for a unique, long-term gardening hobby, you should consider this. What people say. This product also has a great step-by-step instruction book that makes planting everything super easy and easy to follow. Really nice packaging with detailed explanation. Good quality. The kit includes everything you need to start: seeds for 5 bonsai varieties, biodegradable pots, soil pellets, tools, wooden box, and markers. Number 3. Costa Farm's live indoor plants in decorative pots. Instantly decorate multiple spaces with this value-packed bundle of live houseplants. They are perfect for shelves, desks, or even as party favors. Starting your plant collection has never been easier. These low-maintenance varieties require minimal attention, making them ideal for new plant parents. Group these gorgeous plants together to create an instant mood-boosting display. They bring life and tranquility to any room. Give a thoughtful and living present that's ideal for any occasion. Brighten a loved one's day with a beautiful indoor plant. Your collection of healthy, vibrant live plants arrives fresh from our farm. They are secured in specialized packaging for direct delivery to your home. We pack each plant with care, but freezing temperatures can be stressful. Please check your forecast and bring your new plants indoors immediately after delivery. What we like. If you want to effortlessly enhance multiple areas of your home with diverse, living decor, this pack is an excellent option. These plants are perfect for beginners or anyone seeking to create a calming atmosphere with minimal effort. If you like variety and low-maintenance beauty, you should consider these. What people say. The plants were beautiful. Healthy. They were carefully packaged. Not even a drop of soil out of the pots. Great little plants all arrived alive and are thriving now. Growth rate is slow now because it's winter, but all have great color and health. Fantastic plants. Healthy, well packaged, ready for display. Number 2. Costa Farm's Aloe Vera Live Plant in Decorative Pot. Add a touch of classic beauty to your home this holiday season. This spiky succulent with unique foliage is a versatile piece of decor for any sunny spot. This resilient plant thrives on neglect, making it perfect for any level of plant owner. It's an ideal, hassle-free choice for busy individuals or new plant parents. This classic succulent is a practical and attractive addition to your home or office. It fosters a sense of stability and naturally boosts your well-being. This living and thoughtful present is ideal for birthdays, housewarmings, or holidays. Brighten a loved one's day with this beautiful indoor plant. Your beautiful, healthy live indoor plant arrives fresh from our farm, secured in specialized packaging, right to your home. We pack each plant with care, but freezing temperatures can still cause stress. Please check your forecast and bring it indoors right after delivery. What we like. If you're seeking a classic, resilient plant that offers both aesthetic appeal and practical benefits, this is a fantastic choice. It's ideal for busy individuals or new plant owners who want a hassle-free addition to their home or office. If you appreciate low-maintenance care and unique, functional plants, you should consider this. What people say. Came well packaged and healthy. Very pretty and just what I wanted. It looked so healthy when it arrived. The plant arrived in an excellent little ceramic light planter. Number 1. Costa Farm's Anthurium Flamingo Flower Live Plant. Add a bold pop of color to any space with this unique flowering houseplant. It's an eye-catching tabletop plant, perfect for your office desk or kitchen counter. This gorgeous plant helps to filter the air, removing toxins for a healthier indoor environment. Elevate your indoor garden with this air-cleaning beauty for a fresh home. Its striking, year-round blooms add a vibrant pop of color that naturally works to elevate your mood. Enhance your sense of well-being with this beautiful addition. Featuring beautiful, colorful flowers, it makes a unique and thoughtful gift for any celebration. It's a memorable present for friends and family. Your beautiful, healthy live plant arrives fresh from our farm, secured in specialized packaging. It's ready to impress right in your home. What we like. If you desire a vibrant, eye-catching plant that brings continuous color and improves your indoor air quality, this is the one. It's perfect for adding a bold statement to desks, counters, or any space needing a touch of exotic beauty. If you like unique flowering plants and a mood-boosting environment, you should consider this. What people say. The Costa Farm is a great addition to my kitchen. It's compact and fits perfectly on my countertop. I love the sleek design of the Costa Farm. It looks very modern and stylish. The functionality of the Costa Farm is impressive. It has multiple settings that allow for various cooking options. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.